Greetings to all. Today's session for 10th standard children, exercise 1.2, first chapter, arithmetic progression. The question given is, fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is a first term, D the common difference and AN nth term of AP. If you look at the table, A is given, D is given, N is given. Find out AN in the question number 1. In the question number 2, AN is given. You have to find out D. Similarly, in the third question, where D, N and AN is given, you are supposed to find out the first term of arithmetic progression. The same way, the question number 4, where A, D and ANs are given, you are supposed to find out N. In the fifth question, A, D and N is given, you have to find out the nth term of arithmetic progression. Let us start. See, write the given terms, whatever the given things, and you have to find out AN. In order to find out AN, you have a formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is a formula in order to find out nth term of AP. Here A is 7, D is 3 and N is 8. In the first question, you are supposed to find out AN. Substitute these values. Is AN is equal to A is 7, write it, N is 8 minus 1 into 3. Now 7 as it is plus 8 minus 1 is again 7 into 3. This is equal to 7 plus 7 3s are 21. Then 7 plus 21 is 28. Then AN is equal to 28. Now whatever the answer you will get, you have to substitute in the blank given. Here AN is 28. Let us see the second problem. A is given, that is minus 18. D you have to find out. N is equal to 10 and AN is equal to 0. Write A is equal to minus 18. D is equal to question mark. N is equal to 10 and AN is equal to 0. Write the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN is 0. A is minus 18 plus what is N? It is 10 minus 1 into D. Because D you don't know, write as it is. 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 D. Shift this 18 towards left hand side, then it is plus 18 is equal to 9D. Then 9D is equal to 18. D is equal to 18 by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are. Then D is equal to 2. 2 is the answer. You have to write in the blank, that is 2. The third question is, A you have to find out. D is given minus 3. N is given 18 and AN is minus 5. A question mark. Write down A question mark. D is equal to minus 3. Then N is equal to 18 and AN is equal to minus 5. Use the same formula, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN is minus 5, A is don't know, N is 18 minus 1, instead of D I'll write minus 3. Then minus 5 as it is, A plus 18 minus 1 is 17 into 3. minus 5 as it is a. Here plus into minus is minus. 17 threes are 51. Then minus 5, if I shift this 51 towards this side, it will become plus 51 is equal to a. Then a is equal to 46. Now the first term is 46. Substitute this value in the blanks, that is 46. Next question, A is given, D is given. You have to find out number of terms, and AN is given, that is 3.6. Let us find the solution. A is given, that is minus 18.9. D is given, that is 2.5. N is question mark. AN is equal to 3.6. Now use the same formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN is 3.6 is minus 18 by 9 plus what is N? Don't know. Write as it is minus 1 into D is 2.5. 3.6 as it is minus 18.9 as it is plus here 2.5 n minus 2.5. Since here minus 18.9 and minus 2.5 as both as same sign, you have to add it. I'll add minus 18.9 minus 2.5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 carry. 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 carry 2. That is minus 21.4. 3.6 is equal to minus 21.4 plus 2.5n. Now 3.6, if I shift this to left hand side, it will become plus 21.4 is equal to 2.5n. Now again here you have to add 3.6 and 21.4. I'll going to add here 3.6, 21.4. 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, here 2. Here it is 25.0. 25.0 is equal to 2.5 n. Then you can write n is equal to 25 by 2.5. Now if you want to shift this point here, you have to add 0 to numerator. It will be 25, put 1 0, that is 250 by 25. 25 ones are 25 tens are, then n is equal to 10. Now substitute the value n is equal to 10 in the blanks. Substitute the value n is equal to 10. Now next last question in this exercise. A is given 3.5, D is given 0, n is equal to 105. Now let us find out the solution for this. A is 3.5 is given, that is 0, n is equal to 105 and an is equal to question mark. You have to find out the last term of AP. Now use same formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an you don't know, write as it is. What is a? That is first term 3.5, it is given, and n is 105 minus 1 into d is 0. Then an is equal to 3.5, it is 104 into 0. Then an is equal to 3.4. Now 104 into 0 is 0. Then last term is 3.5 itself. Since the common difference is 0, now all the terms will have 3.5 itself. Let us substitute the answer here, that is 3.5. If you like my videos are useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. It means a lot.
Thanks for watching.